Sloan here. I am at my mom's, which is in Montana, and you can see I'm just out front of her house filming because, we're getting her ready to move, and the inside is just kind of not a filming location. So this is not the video that would normally have been done today because there's some changes to the mystery, the Christmas mystery. And those of you who watch the Fat Quarter Shop's videos know that the Christmas mystery was moved because some fabric didn't get in yet. And so they've moved it 2 weeks. And that means, I have those videos all recorded for every Wednesday. So this is a impromptu video, and it'll be very short because I don't have the editing and things that I do at home. Okay, so the Christmas mystery has moved. And for those of you who've forgotten what that is, it's a free mystery. You can purchase the advance package, like in advance, so that you can purchase the whole thing if you want. But if you want to go week by week, and it's 5 weeks, it will be starting in July 15th. So that's 2 weeks from now. And you're going to hear cars. This is the best I can do today. This is the best I can do. So there is the free autumn mystery. Okay, let me back up. So the supply list for the Christmas mystery, will be released once they start shipping the kits, that those of you who bought kits. So you still probably have a week before that happens. The autumn mystery will start afterwards. So sometime late August, maybe. There's no date for that yet. Maybe late August. Okay. So the other thing is I'm in the June Quilt Folk issue. I think it's June, July, something like that. And so Quilt Folk, that is now available to purchase if you want to. It is the Virginia issue, so they're all different people from Virginia. It's fabulous. They did such a great job. I will put a link in the description box below and the pinned comment to the Quilt Folk website for the magazines. So here, let me just chit chat 1 second. So as many of you know that have helped your parents move or just downsize or any of those things, there's just lots and lots of stuff to do. So I have done nonstop from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. working on things. 6 a.m. to 9, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. working on things. So it has been very, very busy. I brought cross stitch to do. I've not even opened that. I brought my gaming console, and I'm not even used that yet. But we're making lots of progress. So I'll get to that eventually. So one of the fun things one of our ambassadors, who asked this? I think it was Laura. Laura wanted to know. She said, why don't we find out, do people name their quilt rooms? So do you name your quilt room? I think that'd be fun to find out. Leave it here at YouTube in the comments. That would be the best place to put it. If you want to put it at Facebook, put it in my fireside chat. Let's not put it in the big group. Okay, so what I'm going to do is stop this and see if what follows next is a few photos. Then fun. I might put just my forward jingle with them. I might just put a couple photos. If not, then I'll have an ending. All right, my friends, thank you so much for hanging out and for watching this video today. Next week, I will not do a video. We're just gonna have to take a break. I don't really have anything to show you or to do. And so the week after that, the third Wednesday, will be the first Christmas mystery. All right, I love you. Thank you for being here in the Sloan Zone. I will see you online.